Hello everyone, good morning. This is our last day dito sa Manowari Beach Resort dito po sa Samal Island. We really had a great time during our 4 days and 3 nights stay dito. Thank you so much sa mga staff and as well as all of the people that we were able to meet here during our time. Thank you so much for this wonderful vacation. Hope to come back here soon. Just an update guys, this is the vibe right now on a Monday. And it's already 11:17 in the morning. Mag-check out na kami. Punta natin sina Cristel, Christian, and Jomar. Let's see if they're already done packing up. At sina Miss Ruby, I think nandun sila sa baba. Nakapag-check out na sila. They're currently waiting for us. So let's go in. Just a quick tour. This is our room. Pasensya na po sa gulo. Hi, are you done now?
Yes, I'm done with you.
I'm done.
I'm so done with you.
Shit.
At si Christian,
I'm
are
done with
you
your shit.
finished packing?
I'm packer. Of course.
Yung lotion mo, Chan.
Bakit ba ano ka sa lotion ko?
I'm so concerned sa lotion mo. Baka maiwan mo dito. This is our room, guys. This is the queen size bed and the extra bed. The chair. The TV. Meron silang table. And also yung single bed ni Christian Malare and her vases. Ayan. And over here is the mirror area.
Mirror, mirror on wall.
Who is
Who is the best?
the beauty of them all?
The beauty of the best.
The beauty of the best. The beauty pa, the best pa. At meron kaming kettle dito. And some creamers.
Mag-lotion ka, Joy?
The cabinet. And thank you so much sa staff. Nakapag-replace po kami ng bagong towels for our last day. And the closet. At may aircon din sila. Dalawang chandelier. Tatlo pala. And over here is the comfort room. May shower sila. The faucet, the toilet.
I'm done with you, bitch.
You're done with me? You can never
Done.
get rid of me. This is our view from our room. It's already 11:22 in the morning. Punta tayo dun sa baba. Thank you pala kay Kuya kahapon sa pagsundo sa amin dito all the way to the island. Also kung traverse kayo with a car, it only costs us like 300 pesos. Tapos yung per person, I think they only include 4 people for free sa 300. 100 pesos na naman additional for the rest. So total 400, pero pagbalik niya it's only for 300 since he's gonna be on his own going back to Davao City. So I'm gonna put the details and information below. Punta natin si Jomar at si Miss Ruby. Nahurot na miss ang durian.
Nahurot na?
Jan.
Wag mo na i-vlog.
Wala,
Nakaon
oy.
sa bugkog ka ni. Isa.
Marang ayo at least na kauntanan no.
lagi.
Walay na bilin.
Katong ano, gatuo ko nga, nahurot na gabi. Ay, kuan, kana naman nabilin.
Di pulutan.
Ay, saging. Tamis kayo ang saging.
Kapita di. Ito na.
No, pumilong Jomar. Kang Jomar man na. Iya. Dadano, uy, ikaw na sa airport.
Darambutan.
Tamis kayo ang saging do.
Huwag ka nisod mismo.
Uy, maniot to ta.
Ganin.
Ay, lapa naman lang.
Asa ta pahaton? Ato taguan. Pila pa ka oras yan?
4:30 pa man to sa kuan airport. Pwede ra sad.
SM Lana.
Ako siyang gingnan, ako siyang gi-contact na. Pwede mi magpa-pick up inig ka 12 akong giingon.
Man mag-taxi na lang pa from Lanang to airport.
Pwede rin sad siya
No?
no?
Puntahan natin yung room ni na Sir Jake. Ano pa yung room sa ibaba? Same lang pala yung design.
Kasi kinahanglan nila dito.
Wala na to na. Nangipas naman sila. Sa office. Wala ka nagsindikan din dali sa mga earn.
Ito ang kang Jomar ba?
Puno na kayong bag.
Kapoy na ko ha. Ako tanan ang bulingon. Bugat kay kong bag.
Unsa na lang ako, We'll see you in a bit, guys, once we checked out.
Please ang papel!
We are checking out sa Manawari Beach Resort. Wow! How was your stay? 1 to 5. 5 is the highest.
Party good ka, even when you're asleep or awake.
Ano sa'yo name sa inyong room? O, diba? Ay, ka-exit ka.
Wala man.
Okay lang, mosquito bites. Oh, sus, upat ka buo.
Papunta na po kaming port. We're getting a tricycle. Okay. How was your stay in Manawari?
Ulit ako ang init-init.
1 to 5, 5 is the highest.
5.
Recommendable.
Yes. Actually, it's a 4.5. It's party even when you're awake or asleep.
Yeah, party all night, party all day. And in the morning, may Zumba
in the
pa.
morning.
Walang escape.
Work-life balance. Naghanapan ako ng party, so nakakuha ako ng party.
Ay, doon pala sila.
Tara, let's.
Let's
Walang
go.
park, guys.
Sir Jake, what's your rate sa Manawari 1 to 5? 5 is the highest.
Ito lang to.
2 stars?
2 stars lang.
2 stars lang daw. Hindi siya ganahan sa party.
Okay, good. No? Nasubraan ra. Bro, mas lag walay rooms mga kuan ba visitors. Grabe party nila. Murag nasa barangay ba?
Party till 4 in the morning. Sa Saturday yung until 4 AM yung party nila. 30 minutes lang, nauubusan sila ng foam agad.
Kasi ginamit lahat ng sabon.
Isang isang bagsakan yung sabon girl.
And we almost died sa phone nila.
Nakaka-cause of death yung foam party nila. So it's not recommendable. Di ba na-inform na pwede pa kami mamatay doon? I really thought mag-enjoy ako. Hindi ako nag-enjoy.
And over here, wala talaga masyadong tao. Parang kami pa lang yung sasakay ng Roro.
Pero wala pang nuro.
Oo nga, wala pang Roro.
Bobo ka ba?
Wala pa nagbabiyahe.
Ayun, papunta pa lang dito.
Ay ho, wala doon. Ito pa yung token nila.
Ano mo?
Dalawa.
Huwag ka nang sumakay.
This is the Sama Port going to Davao City. Dito po yung waiting area nila. We'll give you an update once we get to the city. See you in a bit, guys. For the meantime, enjoy this B-roll of the place. Mating na po kami dito sa SM Lanang and we're gonna go visit there. Napaka-ambisyosa, napaka-bongga.
Bisaya akain sa Manado.
Chada.
Pilas.
Hilason.
Pilason.
We're actually gonna visit the Starbucks. Nasa sentro talaga siya ng mall na to, dito sa SM Lanang.
Bibili kayo ulit ng mug?
No. Ikaw, Judith, are you gonna buy
I was
a mug?
expecting that you'll buy.
Wala na. Kain na lang ako dahil. May bibilin ka dito?
Taas pala. Ato sa taas ang kon, mga foods. Jams.
Hindi kayo magsa-Starbucks?
Later.
Kakain pa lang.
Or kumain tayo kanina umaga?
That was breakfast, girl.
It's lunchtime. See?
12:51 na pala. We're killing time dito sa SM Lanang because our
We're
flight
not killing
is...
time. Talagang gutom kami. Kaya
Gutom
kailangan
naman.
natin. There's a makina sa baka.
Ay, wow.
Jollibee also. Nada sa taas ang Jollibee.
This is the Starbucks. here in SM Lana. At sa baba meron silang chat time, French baker, and I think that's Krispy Kreme over there. Thank you.
Nakasolo na ka diri, bro.
Oh, katong grand opening.
Pero katong is El Ligos Picas.
Dugay na gyud to goods.
Dugay
Ito
na
gyud ang
good.
first. Man kani ang latest. Ito na pa yung Starbucks, BRB. Jude, asa sila?
Nag-CR. Manginasal ang mga patay gutom.
Oh, mag-chargo na dito. Oh, ride the rush.
Stay tuned for the next trip. Nakakatakot yung next trip na plano. Mag-out of the country. Dapat pala, nagsisinking tayo. Para hindi tayo sabay-sabay na sisink.
Here we are, Manginasal.
Nakaka solo fiesta ka?
We are going to see in a bit, guys. So order muna kami dito sa Manginasal. It's already 3:02 in the afternoon. At dito kami sa may entrance. There's saan ba to?
Prepare na dyan, ticket o ID para diretso na.
Thank you. Ito po yung flight namin, guys. Boarding gate is at 4:30 in the afternoon. It's already 4:22. Nasa loob na kami ng airport. Hindi ka bibili ng pasalubong.
Later na.
Thank you. We're going in.
Hold pa lang. Hilera.
Go! Pinakita na lang to. Pasa ta. So we're inside the gate lounges. 5, 6, 7, 8. Gate 5. Nasa loob pa kami ng gate lounges. I'll give it up later, guys. Pag nahanap na namin yung gate kung saan kami sasakay ng aeroplano. See you in a bit.
Many minutes later.
Nandito kami sa labas ng departure area and I think we're gonna buy some fruits. Dito kami ngayon sa may tindahan ni Nanay.
Pinali pulverize mura na te.
The candies. Di ba 3 for
3 for 100.
100
Pili ko
yun?
may 50 pa dito. Bizcocho.
Magnet. Magkano ba yung magnet?
Ayun o, may price oh.
Ah, okay, 75. Mas barato, dahil diri. Pero mas dako man to, no? 85 katong.
Feeling ko kasi depende din yan sa laki.
We have bags, t-shirts, more t-shirts. Malong. Napot sila Miss Malong. Oh.
Malong oh.
Hala ha.
Durian mag-color.
Durian ata.
Mangga.
Mangga?
Ah, di lang po.
Try daw na to. Be?
Try oh. Pwede. Mayroon mo.
Log,
Ang tagal! Hindi ko ma-identify.
Ang sa maling taste. Uy. This bad.
Tagpila di ang pomelo sa kabak.
Pila na. Alam mo, draw.
700.
Hmm.
750.
Ay, 750 di eh.
Wala yung discount ate.
Ang-
Ang sa mga yellow. Kuan. Person. Hunting. Brand.
Mas barato siya kung season or
Oh.
same na gyapon.
Same lang gyapon. 700. 700. Kaya ako.
Ay, salamat eh. Arit eh, oh.
lamikin eh.
Mga galingan. The first. Dito may sobo kaya.
May ice cream.
Ano na ice cream?
Ice cream, durian ice cream.
Durian eh.
Oh, go Jude. It's a sign.
Oh, see? Nagpila. 25.
At may bukayo din pala si Benito. 3 for 100. Fried durian. 400 pesos. So ito po yung mga coffee nila.
Mr. Rechi Gula,
Turmeric,
IC Lapini,
moringa powder,
Mr. Miguel Francisco
yabano,
Mr.
coffee, foreign coffee.
Miss Maria Angela
We have Arabica excelsa,
Sir San Saluna,
pure robusta,
Leonard Santos,
pure Arabica for 590 pesos, 560. This one doesn't have a price. Pistachios, sunflower, rice Krispies, ampaw, banana chips, sour chips, crackers. We're gonna try
Wala lang
the
dito sa sulod.
durian ice
Pwede
cream.
man madala sa sulod. Kanon tika durian kung mo ka sa mga magbuhat mig ice cream. Durian ice cream naman dila akong ganahan.
With cheese.
Basta mag
Queso.
Durian
What
ice
mean?
cream with cheese.
Queso. Papasok na din po kami. We're gonna try the durian ice cream. Yung review ni Miss Ruby, she said it's real durian. I'll give it up once we depart from Davao City. See you later. Hanggang dito na po yung vlog namin. Thank you for joining our Davao and Samal Island adventure. Comment down below if you have any suggestions kung saan kami pupunta next. Thank you for watching and goodbye!
Bye!
Bye, Sir Jake! Bye!
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 Ay, kaoy live ko.
Bye!
Bye! Bye!
Bye, Chan!
Bye, kaoy.
Bye! Sayonara! Bye! See you in the next vlog!
Yes. See you.
Never Paalam na. See you in the next video, guys. Comment down below where to go. And don't forget to subscribe and like and share. Bye!